Welcome to video class. This is K. Damodar Reddy, one lecturer in chemistry, working in Government Degree College, Roman Vanapatti. Today class is carboxylic acids derivatives. This is continuation for previous class. So what are the carboxylic acids derivatives? So carboxylic acid derivatives are esters, acyl halides. In acyl halides, acid chlorides are important one. Acid anhydrides, amides. These are the derivatives of carboxylic acids. So carboxylic acid derivatives are compounds in which the hydroxyl part of the carboxyl group is replaced by various other groups. All acid derivatives can be hydrolyzed to the corresponding carboxylic acids. So those are esters, acid chlorides, acid anhydrides, amides. So in this one, you can discuss the esters. Esters are derived from acids by replacing the OH group by an OR group. The R part of the OR group is named first, followed by the name of the acid with the ic ending changed to ate. So see here, this is the OR group. R is methyl group. So this is the methyl acetate. So first we can naming the R group. R group is methyl. So first named methyl. After that, this is 2 carbon of carboxylic acid. So that carboxylic acid having 2 carbons. That's why 2 carbons of carboxylic acid is common name is acetic acid. That's why this is the methyl acetate. Whereas in IUPAC nomenclature, this is methyl ethanoate. 2 carbons of carboxylic acid, IUPAC name is ethanoic acid. So that's why we can add 8 sound. That's why this is the methyl ethanoate. Here ethyl group is present. So 2 carbons of carboxylic acid and 2 carbons of alkyl group. So these alkyl group attached with the oxygen of carboxy group. So that's why ethyl acetate. The name of compound is ethyl acetate. This is the common name. And IUPAC name of this compound is ethyl ethanoate. So first the R part of the OR group is named. The R is ethyl group. That's why ethyl. And followed by the name of acid. That is the ethanoic acid. So ic ending changed to 8. That's why the name of this compound is ethyl acetate. But in this case, so OR group, R is methyl group. So 4 carbons of carboxylic acid name is butanoic acid. So ik replaced by 8, R is methyl, so methyl butanoate. In this war group of R is a phenyl group attached with the phenyl group. So oxygen attached with the phenyl group, so phenyl acetate. The name of compound is phenyl acetate. So these 2 carbons are acetic acid group. This is the phenyl group, so phenyl acetate. Here OR group of R is methyl, so methyl. So benzoic acid is present, that's why methyl benzoate. The name of compound is methyl benzoate. See here, boiling points of these all compounds increases with the increasing of the molecular weight of those compounds. So boiling points increases with the increases of the molecular weight of the compounds. That's why in this boiling points, these compounds are increases with the molecular weight. So preparation of esters, Fischer esterification method. So in Fischer esterification method, carboxylic acids reacts with the alcohols in the presence of acidic catalyst to give ester, loses of water molecule. So in this reaction, one is a forward reaction, another one is the backward reaction is there. So we can add the carboxylic acid to alcohol, we can get the ester, loses of water molecule. We can add the water to ester, we can get the carboxylic acid and alcohol. The formation of ester is called as the esterification reaction. We can ester reacts with water, we can get the acid and alcohol. That reaction is called as the ester hydrolysis reaction. In this, equilibrium is there. One is the forward reaction, another one is the backward reaction. The forward reaction is called as the esterification reaction. Backward reaction is the ester hydrolysis reaction. So for example, we can take the, instead of acetic acid, instead of acid, acetic acid we can take, and methyl alcohol. So this is the acetic acid methyl alcohol, we can get the methyl acetate. Whereas next example, we can take the acetic acid reacts with ethyl alcohol. What happens? What is the ester is formed? Ethyl acetate is formed. So like that, carboxylic acids and an alcohol are heated in the presence of an acidic catalyst. So acidic catalyst means HCl or H2SO4. We can get the ester, loses of water molecule. So example is acetic acid, methyl alcohol, you can get the methyl acetate. Acetic acid, ethyl alcohol, you can take, you can get the ethyl acetate. In this, equilibrium is present. Two reactions are there. One is the forward reaction, another one is the backward reaction. Forward reaction is ester is formed. That's why this is called as the esterification reaction. Backward reaction is ester hydrolysis reaction. So ester undergoing hydrolysis reaction, we can get the acid and alcohol. So see here mechanism of acid catalyzed esterification. So this is the benzoic acid. This is the methyl alcohol. We can get the methyl benzoate plus water. Acid as a catalyst. So in presence of acid catalyst, benzoic acid and methyl alcohol reaction gives us methyl benzoate, loses of water molecule. The reaction mechanism is in first protonation is taken place. Protonation, after protonation, so alcohol as a nucleophile, addition with carbonyl group. In second stage, after addition of alcohol group to carbonyl carbon, so proton is changed. So proton is changed. After that, elimination of water molecule or loses of water molecule. This is the elimination step. So we can get oxygen as a positive charged compound. So this is unstable compound. That's why loses the proton from this. It is converted into ester. So this is the mechanism of acidic catalyzed esterification. So in this mechanism, carboxylic acid first stage protonation takes place. So lone pair of oxygen donates the lone pair of electrons to H plus. Oxygen has positive charge. In this stage, alcohol has a nucleophile. This nucleophile addition with the carbonyl carbon. After that, oxygen has a positive charge. So protonation, change in protonation. After that, elimination of water molecule, having oxygen as a positive charge compound. This is unstable compound. So that's why loses a proton from this compound, you can get the ester. This is the acid catalyzed esterification reaction mechanism. So see here lactones. Hydroxy acids contain both functional groups required for ester formation. If these groups can come in contact through bending of the chain, they may react with one another to form cyclic esters called lactones. So lactones nothing but these are the cyclic esters. So see here, this compound having carboxylic group and OH group in same compound. That's why the reaction proceeds through a carboxylic group and hydroxy group. So that's why in same compound having two functional groups, that's why these are undergoing esterification reaction get the cyclic ester. This cyclic ester is called lactone. So see here, we can take the gamma hydroxy butanoic acid. So we can get the gamma butyrolactone, loses of water molecule. So lactones nothing but these are the cyclic esters, compounds having carboxyl group and OH group in the same compound undergoing esterification reaction. You can get the lactones. See here, these are all are the lactones. This is the coumarin. This is the lactone. So naphtha lactone, erythromycin. Erythromycin also having ester linkage. This is lactone. In naphthalactone also having like this, coumarin. These are the lactones. So saponification of esters. Saponification is the hydrolysis of an ester with base, sodium hydroxide. Ester reacts with sodium hydroxide, loses of water molecules, salt of an acid, and alcohol is formed. So ester on heating with sodium hydroxide gives salt of an acid and alcohol is formed. See here, this is the carbonyl oxygen, carbonyl group. Here OH minus is a nucleophile, addition of nucleophile takes place. So tetrahedral intermediate is formed. So loses of alkoxide ion, you can get the as well as strong acid, carboxylic acid. So strong base takes a proton from strong acid, so convert it into carboxylate ion and alcohol. So your carboxylate ion is a weak base and alcohol is weak acid. So this is saponification reaction. Esters reacts with base or alkalis on heating, gives us salt of an acid and alcohol is formed. This is the saponification reaction. So next reaction is ammonolysis reaction. Esters reacts with ammonia, gives amides and alcohols. So we can take the example, methyl acetate reacts with ammonia, acetamide and methyl alcohol is formed. Next example is, we can take the ethyl acetate. So here R group is, OR of R group is ethyl group and this R group is methyl group. Reacts with ammonia, acetamide and ethyl alcohol is formed. For another example, you can take the methyl benzoate. The compound name is methyl benzoate. OR group of R is CH3 methyl group. This is the benzoic from benzoic acid, so that's why methyl benzoate. So reacts with the ammonia, benzamide and methyl alcohol. So methyl acetate, estamide is formed. Methyl benzoate, benzamide is formed. So esters easily reacts with ammonia. The reaction of ammonia on ester is called as the ammonolysis of ester. In this, we can get the amides. So simply, you can say the esters undergoing ammonolysis reaction gives amides. So this is also ammonolysis reaction. Next reaction is reaction of esters with the Grignard reagent. So ester reacts with 2 moles of Grignard reagent. We can get the tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol. 1 mole reaction of Grignard reagent. You can get this product. Another mole like this. So final product is tertiary alcohol. So ester reacts with the Grignard reagent followed by hydrolysis, can get the tertiary alcohol. So reduction of esters is important one. Esters can be reduced to primary alcohols by lithium aluminum hydride, LiAlH4, lithium aluminum hydride. So you can get the primary alcohols. So ethyl 2-butanoate, you can take the ethyl 2-butanoate, reduction with the lithium aluminum hydride, 2-butanol, 2-butene 1 mole. The product is 2-butene 1 mole plus ethyl alcohol. So this is the reduction reaction of ester. So we can simply say that esters undergoing reduction in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride as a reducing agent gives primary alcohols. So now we are going to discuss acyl halides. Another carboxylic acid derivative, acyl halide. So in acyl halides, acyl chlorides are important one. This is acid chlorides. Acyl halides are among the most reactive of carboxylic acid derivatives. Acyl chloride are more common and less expensive than bromides and iodides. So they can prepare from acids by reaction with thionyl chloride. So carboxylic acids reacts with thionyl chloride, you can get the acid chlorides. You can take the acetic acid, acetyl chloride. So also we can prepare the acid chlorides. Carboxylic acids reacts with the PCl5. With the PCl5. So also we can prepare the acid chlorides from PCl5. So that PCl5 reacts with the carboxylic acid with the acid chlorides. So acid chlorides are the most reactive of carboxylic acid derivatives. So reactions of acid chlorides. First, hydrolysis reaction. Acid chloride undergoing the hydrolysis reaction, you can get the carboxylic acid. So acid chloride example is acetyl chloride undergoing a hydrolysis reaction very fast or rapidly, you can get the acetic acid, HCl. So benzoyl chloride reacts with methyl alcohol at room temperature, you can get the methyl benzoate. So ammonolysis of acid chlorides gives amides. So acid chloride reacts with ammonia, amides are formed. Or acid chlorides react with ammonia, gives amides. Acetyl chloride reacts with ammonia, estamide is formed. So you can acid chlorides also used in Friedel-Crafts alkyl acylation reaction. In Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction, we can use acid chlorides. So this is the electrophilic substitution reaction of benzene. So benzene reacts with acid chlorides in the presence of AlCl3 as a Lewis acid. So aromatic ketones are formed. So example is benzene reacts with acetyl chloride in the presence of AlCl3. Acetophenone is formed. The reaction is called Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. So acylation means you can substituted acyl group on benzene. That's called Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Alkylation means substitute alkyl group on benzene is called as the alkylation reaction. So this is the electrophilic substitution reaction. Benzene is a aromatic compound. This is undergoing electrophilic substitution reaction. That's why benzene undergoing a reaction with acyl halides or acid chlorides in the presence of Lewis acid, aromatic ketones are formed. So benzene, example is benzene reacts with acetyl chloride, CH3, CH1OCl, AlCl3. So acetophenone, the product is acetophenone. So benzene, C double bond O, instead of R, CH3 is there. So that is the acetophenone. The compound name is acetophenone. So also acid chlorides also reacts with the Grignard reagent. So acid halides reacts with the Grignard reagent. You can get the tertiary alcohols. So tertiary alcohols. So acid chlorides reacts with the Grignard reagent. So tertiary alcohols are formed. First primary, 1 mole of Grignard reagent reacts with the acid chloride. Primary ketone is formed. That ketone reacts with another mole of Grignard reagent, alkyl magnesium halide, followed by hydrolysis reaction takes place. Tertiary alcohol are formed. So this is the one problem is there. Synthesis of 4-methyl phenyl propyl ketone. 4-methyl phenyl. This is a methyl. This is fourth position. Phenyl propyl ketone. This is the propyl group. This is the keto group. So this is the keto. One side is alkyl group. That alkyl group is propyl. Another side is phenyl. That phenyl group attached with the methyl group at fourth position. So this compound prepared from toluene and butanoic acid as starting material. So problem is synthesis of 4-methyl phenyl propyl ketone from toluene and butanoic acid. So starting material, we can take the butanoic acid, reaction with the thionyl chloride. So we can get the acid chloride, butanoyl chloride. Next, take the Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. This butanyl chloride reacts with the toluene in the presence of AlCl3. This Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction takes place. This is the electrophilic substitution reaction. You can get the 4-methyl phenyl propyl ketone. Next, Arndt Isert synthesis. So we can prepare the carboxylic acid to carboxylic acid, but one CH2 is increased from reactant to product. In Arndt Isert reaction synthesis, carboxylic acid to carboxylic acid, one CH2 is increased, carboxylic acids are prepared. So this carboxylic acid reacts with thionyl chloride, acid chlorides are formed. This acid chloride reacts with the diazomethane in the presence of Ag plus catalyst. You can get the carboxylic acids. Analogous series of carboxylic acids are prepared from this synthesis. So 3 steps are there in this reaction. In first stage, the acid is converted into corresponding acid chloride. So this is the acid reaction with the thionyl chloride, acid chloride is formed. This is the first stage. Second stage, acid chloride reacts with the diazomethane. This is the diazomethane. We can get the alpha diazomethyl ketone. Alpha diazomethyl ketone. This is the C double bond group. This is the alpha carbon. Alpha carbon having diazo group. So alpha diazomethyl ketone. Third stage, this alpha methyl diazoketone undergoing Ag2O followed by hydrolysis reaction takes place, get the carboxylic acid. So starting material is carboxylic acid, ending material is carboxylic acid. But difference in these two is one CH2 group is present in product. So once again, are in accepted synthesis reaction. In this reaction, reactant is carboxylic acid, product is also carboxylic acid. So in product, compared to reactant, one CH2 group is present. So carboxylic acid reacts with the thionyl chloride, get the acid chlorides in first stage. Second stage, this acid chloride reacts with diazomethane. Diazomethane. You can get the alpha diazomethyl ketone. Alpha diazomethyl ketone undergoing reaction of Ag2O followed by hydrolysis. So carboxylic acids are formed. So this carboxylic acid is homologous series of the starting carboxylic acid. The difference between these two variation is CH2. That is the homologous series. So today class we are discussed derivatives of carboxylic acids. One is the ester, another one is the acid chlorides, acid anhydrides, amides. These are the carboxylic acid derivatives. Today only we are discussed preparation of esters, reactions of ester. And another one is who can prepare the acid chlorides and the reactions of acid chlorides. So next class we are discussed preparation of and the properties of acid anhydrides and primary amides. Okay, thank you, one and all.